Okay, so I've had a few people ask me about my Greenworks stuff and what I have. So I'll start with the batteries. I have 6 of the 6 amp Bluetooth batteries. I have 2 of the 4 amp 18500 cell batteries. One 4 amp 2150, and then one 5 amp 2150, which that one actually is the one that works the best with the chainsaw. And then I have a tiller, a pole saw, 2 backpack blowers, one single pack battery supply, a backpack for the bicycle handle, trimmers, which has a blade set up. It'll take either a regular trimmer, 25-inch lawnmower with a bagger, 2 chainsaws, the GS 181 and the 82 CS 34, and then a 22-inch snowblower. All this stuff probably represents, I'm going to say $4,500 to $5,000 investment. The batteries being probably almost half of that. And I got them all for a reason, but these are the things that I got, and I do use them, and I do plan on doing a review on everything. I did not pay retail for most of this stuff. I think only the chainsaws, but I have bought a lot of stuff through an online liquidator called Turner Liquidations on eBay. I've gotten a lot of great deals from him. There's a guy, Jerry, that I deal with. He's been great to deal with. If I have any questions, he answers them right away, and I've saved a lot of money there and other spots. But I mean, like, say that lawnmower is supposed to be $600. I think I paid $325 for it, so on and so forth. But I used the small tiller and the raised beds. That's why I got it. I have some raised beds, and obviously it's not going to do the damage that a full-size tiller will do, but it's perfect because I can lift it right up in the raised bed, till it, and put it down. Then I do like a small 20 by 30 garden plot with it also. Pole saw with an extra extension is great for cutting stuff up in the trees. I got the 2 weed whackers. One, I have a regular weed whacker head on it, and then this bicycle handle one. The motor, it's just over a 2 horsepower motor that sits right on top of the blade. So that thing, I have a bunch of different style blades, but that thing will cut anything with ease. The backpack blowers, I actually got 2 of them because a guy locally was selling one for $100, and it came with a charger, and the charger cost more than $100. So it was kind of like, well, now I have 2 backpack blowers, and my granddaughter and I will both backpack blow, and sometimes have backpack blower wars. It's pretty cool. The 2 chainsaws, I have done reviews with them, but I use them the most. The snowblower I got because the kids moved out, and they used to do the deck, shoveling the deck in the winter, and I have a pretty sizable deck, and I tried doing it a couple times, and I was like, geez, I don't want to go back to doing that. So I got this thing, and it's perfect for doing the deck and the walkway. And when I first got it, I hadn't done for several storms, so I had layers of ice and snow. It was like maybe 15 to 20 inches deep, and it took a while, but I chowed through all of that with this thing, so I'm happy with that. If I just do it right after it snows, it's no problem at all. And then the mower, I get to take care of the areas that I can't get with the 0 turn, and that takes 2 batteries, just like the snowblower does. I have a little piece that comes with it that sets it up for mulching, but if you want to, I can take that piece out and put the bagger on it and bag with it. But yeah, I plan on doing reviews with all of these things eventually, so stay tuned and look to hear more if you're interested in any of this Greenworks stuff. Thanks.